Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another vlog. Today is a track day, so we have a bunch of tracks that have been pulled, and well, it's not really going to take a whole day. It's probably actually going to take only a few minutes because there's only a couple types of tracks. But I'm going to work on these tracks and get this done. We've added a ton of figs, and we have seen a absolutely massive spike in sales from adding all of the figs. So I'm going to start on the kind of the other pulled parts and do a bit of that, and then go back to figs and see how much I can get done today. I think Evan's going to be in an hour or two, and I'll make him shoot something, and you guys can see what we're doing this week. Alrighty, I've finished the tracks, so now I'm going to get started on one of our bags of random pull. There are some electronics in here which are really great. They add a ton of value. I also pulled this, I don't even know what this is from, but it looked cool, so I'm going to see if it's worth anything. Never seen one of them before. And then I'm not even sure if this is Lego. Yes, it is. It is Lego. It's probably the centerpiece to whatever the rest of this is. But I've got a sale too, so I'll add all this stuff, and I'll tell you the final value at the end. Alrighty guys, so I've cataloged basically the room I have here, but most of the electronic stuff still isn't actually done. So the worth for this BSX is only $60 at 6-month sales average. So I'm gonna upload this, and then I'll go ahead and do the electronics over here and show you guys that.
Hey everyone, welcome to Monday afternoon. I'm sure Paul already shot a little bit of a vlog this morning. I am assisting in helping pack orders, actually verifying orders. That is what I'm doing. We have 20-ish orders, I think, today. I think 21 orders total. From Saturday through today. We didn't pack on Saturday, which is part of the reason we have a lot today. Other than that, after orders are verified, shipped, I am going to add some more pieces. So we have 3 bins down there now that are ready to be added. So I'm gonna finish up. One of them's only like a quarter full. The other 2 are completely full. So I'm gonna get as much of that added today as I can. We also, I don't know if Paul showed you, he built a little shelf thing up here. So we have these bins now that are able to stack up here. So this added 20 bins that we can put bags and bins in, or bags with pieces into the bins. Not ideal. Sorry, I'm like chewing Cheez-Its right now. Not my favorite method of storage, but we're out of storage for like quantity for big pieces that have a lot of stuff. So that's what that is. Yeah. So if there's anything interesting, I'll show you. I'll show you our piece count when we're done at the end of the day. We're like 280. What are we at? 285,000 pieces. So it went down again. Sold a lot of pieces in the past few days, which is great. Can't complain. But yeah, hopefully we'll get to about 290 today again. Seems to be the number we're hanging at. Maybe we can get to 300 soon, but it's really hard. Yeah, I will catch up with you later this is the worst vlog ever. I will catch up with you later in the day if there's something interesting happening. Okay, done.
Alright guys, so I finished doing all of the electronic stuff, and the total for this BSX is $203.63 at 6-month sales average. Now, a lot of that was this piece here, which goes for $100. Now there is a little scratch on the side here, so I put a note saying that there's a minor cosmetic scratch. When something is that expensive, we usually still sell it. I just put a note. But other than that, I mean, everything else is still worth a decent amount, because as you can see, there's only a few parts here. But yeah, that's the electronics, and I think after this I'm getting back to figs. Hello everyone, welcome back to another day in the vlog. Today is Tuesday. Today I am getting started on cleaning up some stuff. Pretty messy. I really got to get my hours back up. Yesterday was not too great. The last, like, I don't know, 4 days have not been super great, which is kind of a shame because we were doing super well before. So today's going to be a long day. Got a lot to do. I'm going to be making sure I get all of it done. So I'm going to clean up, kind of organize, and then I'm going to go ahead and catalog. I'm going to try and make a big dent on the rest of the headgear. which is floating around somewhere down there. Yeah, I'll go ahead and make sure I do some updates on that. Alright, so I tidied up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and catalog some of these random things that have kind of accumulated. These are pieces that either like were extra, or they're not in the inventory, or just something happened that caused them to need to be recatalogued. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Alright guys, it is empty. The minifig head pieces are complete. Unfortunately, the rest of what was in here was basically like only 150 bucks, which is really disappointing. But I guess it is done now, at least mostly done. So there is this here. So what I've done is basically the super common stuff I have pulled out because these are going to be more effective to do in bulk. So we have a whole nother category called fig parts, which is basically accessories and all the stuff that slips through our fingers that ends up getting done by catalogers or just contractors in general. And so it's going to be way more efficient to just wait for that and do these in with the other hundreds that are going to show up from that sort. So I'm kind of just going to let these stack up, and then obviously I'm not going to mix these because they already are basically just one type. I'm not going to mix them just into the general thing. I'm going to wait until that category is ready, and then I will just do them with that. So that's the plan for this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do right now, but I will let you know once I go take a look what we got and figure it out. Alright guys, so now that I'm done with the head pieces, I'm decided I might as well go ahead and start on the hair. So there's really not that many hair pieces here, although there do appear to have been some head pieces that snuck in here. But I'm going to go ahead and get started on this and see how much I can get through. I mean, there really isn't that much here, so I can probably just do it all.
Hey everyone, it is Tuesday evening. I am in the store. I just put some barcodes on these bins. So these are the new bins that I think Paul or myself showed you. They go on that shelf there. So we got these new bins, which are nice because we're running out of room for like big stuff. So these I think are like probably 6-quart containers, and we can put some stuff in here, which is great. So I just barcoded those. After that, I'm going to add some pieces tonight. We have a few bins that came back, 2 more catalog bins that are back. So we'll say 35 pounds of pieces roughly. And we get to add those tonight. So we're still not at 290,000. We're at like 288, I think, starting today. Every time I add, I feel like everything sells, but that is good. So yeah, I'm going to add some parts tonight, and that's going to be it. Yeah, we'll catch up with you tomorrow.
Hello there guys, welcome to Thursday. I did not shoot a vlog yesterday on Wednesday. Unfortunately, but I got the hair done, and then I got started on doing some pull, just the parts and stuff, not the figs. But today I think my focus is going to be on consolidation. We have quite a bit here of consolidate that has been piling up. Some of them go all the way back to May. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and, oh yeah, this one's like May 23rd. So I'm going to go ahead just do that. Shouldn't take long. Consolidate usually doesn't. It's just a chore, and I don't like it. But I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to get back to doing some pull.
Hello everyone, welcome to Saturday. I've been in the store for just under an hour and a half now. I packed today's orders. What else did I do? I added one BSX file of parts, which isn't a ton, and then I also did some reassignment for some drawers that needed to be moved around. And that's probably what I'm going to continue to do today, is just add parts. Paul will be streaming this afternoon. I'll probably be streaming with him, but he'll be streaming the build of his, it's not a Lego set, it's a, I don't remember what the brand is, but it's a non-Lego set. But we've run into somewhat of a storage issue. I think I've talked about this in the past, but a lot of these things now are pretty much full all the way. Even these big ones here, and even some of these big ones down here, they're getting full, which is not good. And we have actually 0 large drawers available. So these size drawers, we have 0 available. This one might be able to be squished with some other stuff, but I'll leave that one halfway out so I can take it later. But we've kind of resorted to putting bags in bins up there, unfortunately. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So I'll just keep adding parts and stuff, and we'll be streaming with you this afternoon. And if anything else fun comes up, I'll let you know. I think Paul's coming in today, this morning, to add some more minifig parts and torsos and things like that. So yeah, I'm sure he will have a vlog segment to shoot today. That's it, I think.